So let's talk how to find all these key features when I give you a parabola that's already in vertex form versus standard form. The standard form is where you have to do the negative b divided by 2a. You don't have to do this when it's already in vertex form. So what we have to remember from Algebra 1 is that we're going to have a vertex form. This is going to, let's just do it, x minus h squared plus k, and your vertex is h comma k. So in this case, I can look right off the bat and see my vertex is going to be -3, -4. Because this is a minus, what I would actually have to do is to minus a -3. That makes my h -3. So I know my vertex right off the bat. Now, I have to think about the end behavior to figure out, is it a relative max or a relative minimum? Well, in this case, my leading coefficient is positive because there's nothing that's going to make it negative. So I have positive and even. That means my end behavior is going up and up. So this is going to be a relative minimum. So my relative minimum occurs at -3, -4. My domain is going to be from -infinity to infinity because that's the domain of all your polynomials. Your range, well, it's really nice because you already know your vertex. You don't have to do any calculations. You know that it's starting, my range, I'm starting at -4. That's my lowest point because the graph's doing something like that. And it's going to go up to infinity. Now, increasing wise, we're going to use our x values. If I'm coming in from the left, I'm actually decreasing initially. So I'm decreasing from -infinity up to -3, which is this point right here. And then I'm going to be increasing from -3 to infinity. And then my end behaviors, well, as I'm moving left on this graph, it's going up. So as the limit as x approaches -infinity of my function, that's going to be infinity. And as I'm moving right on the graph, it's also moving up. So the limit as x approaches infinity of f of x is infinity. Much easier when it's in vertex form. There's not really any calculations you have to do to find the vertex or the relative min or the relative max. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.